Just a short video today. You've already seen this camper on another video. This is called the Moose Lodge because the dog's name is Moose. He's a therapy dog. But I wanted to show you something today. When we do these rallies, people come in and walk through your camper, and sometimes they go where they shouldn't, or they open things that they shouldn't. And she did something here that would kind of shock someone if they did something that they're not supposed to do. Back here in her bathroom, at the last rally, we realized that somebody opened her shower curtain. Well, now, if you open her shower curtain, you'll see this. Ha ha ha. See y'all in the next video. Bye.